How do I define my own standards of beauty? Okay, let me see. To embrace the magnificent elephant-like wrinkles that encircle my knees, the corner of my eyes, the curve of my cleavage, hips, my thighs, the inside of my elbows, underside of my belly as I move into the wise elder phase of this life. Thank you, you made me tear up. I am still here. Thank you for mirroring that to me and to all of us. We wouldn't have chosen this topic without having immense courage to choose life. A mantra I try to remember on the days where I feel like I'm drowning. There will always be these days. There are still those days. I choose life. We always have a choice. And against all odds, like growing through the concrete, I think there are two things that you can do. You can embrace all your scars after all of the things you went through as, you know, like reminders, battle scars, to be more gentle towards yourself. So all the wrinkles are probably because of illness, probably because of stress, probably because of trauma. And every time you look at them, you can say to yourself, this is a reminder that I don't have to be like that anymore. I don't have to worry so much as before. I don't have to fear as much as before. I don't have to be angry as much as before. I can just allow myself to be gentle with myself. Like, I've been through enough. I've proven myself over and over again that I'm strong enough. I can also be gentle to myself. I can love my wrinkles, my eyes, my curves, my hips, my thighs, my elbows, my belly. Become dignified, graceful. As you say, moving into this wise elder phase of your life, you have dignity, you have grace, you have been through a lot. And now you can carry yourself with dignity and grace. And the standard of beauty in Western society is fucking inverted. Like, too much makeup, too much Botox, too much, like, I think it's too much. And trying always to be attractive to someone else. Like, your life, the purpose of your life is not to stimulate other people's genitals. Like, no one's purpose in life is to stimulate other people's genitals as they walk by. Like, Western society's standards of beauty are so inverted. And all the women in the chat today, don't burden yourself, don't pressure yourself. Don't pressure yourself. Your biggest beauty is in your womb. Your biggest beauty is in your caring, your love, your nurture, your presence, your sight, your intuition, your peace that other people can mirror, your groundedness. And nobody's gonna think that's sexy, and there's not a lot of, because it's inverted. If you have humility, if you have honesty, if you have integrity, if you have responsibility, if you have courage to speak up, to hold space for someone else, to be kind, to be loving, to live from your heart, all these things are not gonna be glorified in society. It's gonna be supermodels and physical appearance and how well you ride the dick and And the things that are truly important, they're not gonna be in advertising. They're not gonna be in, like, use this shampoo, it's gonna open your heart. Use this makeup, it's gonna make you more responsible and humble. Nah. You already have it. We already have it. It's society that tells us, oh, that's not enough. That's not enough. Then you got social media, you compare your life with that supermodel whose every picture is beautiful, but you never see the picture when she's vomiting after a night of drinking, the way she looks then, and when her whole life is falling apart. You never see that on Instagram. Don't compare yourself. You probably compare your standards of beauty with somebody that never had any of the struggles that you had. Your beauty comes from your courage. Your beauty comes from all the things you just shared with us. That's your beauty. And I believe everyone is beautiful. Even when you're older. Like, I believe your eyes don't have any wrinkles. And the eyes don't age. And if you still have that spark, and I see that you do, that's all you need. And the person that doesn't see that is not for you. The person that doesn't see your soul through your eyes and feels it and feels that that's enough, that you don't have to have this sort of hair, this sort of makeup, this sort of apparel, way that you walk, bitchy attitude, whatever is considered sexy today.